challenges part. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am. I think we have, while listening to the panelists, respected panelists, we know where is our goal actually. By 2030, we have to achieve our goal, that is quality education, both globally and as well as in our own country. And the path to progress and success, Ms. Pushpalata ma'am has shared. So I will be sharing the hurdles on the path, the challenges that we are going to face as educators and as as schools together. And in spite of government initiatives, we still have some hurdles and on going on our path. Before I move on to the next challenge, I want to share some data that fewer than 3% of engineers have skills in areas like AI, and the curriculum is so outdated that survey says over 50% of graduates lack in skills like innovation, problem solving, and English proficiency. And the reason behind the curriculum in most of the Indian schools is based on the rote learning. And many Indian schools, even though we have made progress, they are continuing to use curriculum which can be as old as decades. And the rate at which the world is changing, our students are not able to catch up with the changing times. They lack, when actually they enter into the job market, they lack the computer programming skills, information and technology, and they are not able to, they're actually not prepared, I can say. So that's a big challenge for all of us. And NEP 2020 is a ray of hope, where we are talking about activity based learning at foundation and primary level. We are talking about vocational skills starting at the age of at as early as sixth graders, and even computing skills. So definitely this is a big ray of for all the educators to see a change.